Y'all, welcome back. I am so far behind on all my videos, but I did want to show you a lot of the snow that we got that was bad for the whole country. So y'all come along. The kids showed up. He said there's 6 of them there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. They're all poofy. Can't exactly tell who's who. That one looks to be honored. I think that's Whitey, the second one, back in the back. She got more white on her belly and her back of her legs. She's like, come on, the finger hadn't gone off yet. She hears me talking. Guaranteed she hears me talking. There's another one. I bet this is Limpy. I'll betcha. Probably her twins from last year. I don't know where they're going. Has it already gone off?
Huh?
Has it already gone off?
Yeah.
It has?
Yeah, it went off at 4:45.
Oh, okay.
It won't take them long to eat it.
Well, some of them are walking away. Or running. They just gotta dig for it. Yeah, I bet that one's Limpy. And look at her belly hang. She's already pregnant. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. That's cool. She's like, you just gotta dig for it. Yeah, because it probably gets underneath the snow. Here comes a dove. Look at that. Pretty neat. Sorry, I had to switch hands. I bet the other ones, you know, make a bet, they're over here next to the tree. Let's see if we can see. Guys, they went around to the tree by my car, but we really don't have a good place to see them there. Yep, they're digging in the snow. Yep. There's the front view. I'm not going out there. You gotta see the snowdrift. Look at that. Oh. I can see all the little tracks in the snow. Jim said, I gotta go out in this later. I can't see him, but the camera can. There's always a lot of acorns around that tree right there by my car.
The way they built the roster and the way that they developed to get this team rolling, I mean, the belief is there, but they play football the right way. Every time I watch them, I'm like, that's correct, that's correct, that's correct. You just gotta go do it. And today.
Cooper has to jump. Jim went that way to take him because you're where they go. I think he finally all. Anyway, it's cold down here, guys. Our beer's about empty. Guys, there's deer at the back door. We're gonna try to go around and see if we can see them. One of them was a buck. Somebody playing in the snow.
Partial government shutdown. That's because funding for the Department of Homeland Security, whose agents are carrying out the immigration crackdown, still needs approval in Congress. Alex Cameron has the details from our News at 6 Washington here.
Some of them.
As the House left D.C. last week, it looked like pretty smooth sailing. The Senate would be able to get the final 6 appropriations bills, one funding Homeland Security and ICE.
They're crossing the road.
By the end of this week.
I can't tell how many there are.
But the administration rushed to blame him.
This looks like a situation where an individual wants
Probably
to do
all of them.
maximum damage and massacre law enforcement.
As even the most moderate members of the Democratic caucus vowing to oppose further DHS appropriations without reforms.
I'm one of the people that helped negotiate the solution to the end of the last shutdown, but I can't vote for a bill that includes ICE funding under these circumstances.
I would assume it's all of them.
President Trump has sent orders over Tom Homan to take over operations in Minneapolis. Is reportedly shifting DHS Secretary Nolan's focus and says Pretty's shooting, Congresswoman Stephanie Weiss, though, posting on X, the tragic event in Minnesota should be thoroughly investigated, saying she supports peaceful protests, but that too often we are seeing agitators inflaming tensions against ICE and law enforcement officers. As for meeting Friday's funding deadline, Democrats say there's
Can't see him behind the tree. Tanya puts food out over there, so they go over there and eat. The kids are here. There's 9 of them. That's Limpy right in the middle that lifted her head. She's always right in the middle. Couple of small dogs. I think the one to the far left might be Whitey. She does have a lot of white on that belly. this limpy, that just pawed. I'm not sure who the other one is next to her, because that's also a big doe. There's some little ones. Look how little these little guys are. It's a little doe. I guess it's a doe. See how tiny. Oh, someone's getting pushed around up there. He's not even putting weight on it.
No, he's not.
He's just a little guy.
There he is. Oh, it's Limpy's. It's Skippy.
Oh no.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not Skippy. Oh, there goes the other butt.
Oh, okay. Lost
Here, I'll go one over here.
video. He's not even putting weight on it.
No, he's-
So you guys, we have been at Dee's house for, I say we, me and Riker, because he's been sick. And this is Saturday. Well, I don't even know the date. They went for a walk with Cooper. I can't even see him now. I haven't been outdoors in a week, guys. Barely. Let the dogs out. I think I got a little bit ill, maybe. But I think I got him over fever. He's not coughing as much. They went for a walk. They were shooting guns. I was processing some orders.
We're trying to say. I don't think either one of those did it.
Hey! So it makes like a
No, I think I hit the plastic back there where the wood's at.
class. Oh, black.
Yeah, I got the wood stacked on plastic skids. Does it get too hard to see?
I mean, I can still read now. What am I supposed to
All right.
Did they do a good job, guys? This was a little bigger buck up on the hill, but I really couldn't get a good shot of him. And every time he lifted his head, it was up in the trees. So, yeah, we really couldn't tell what he was. This one down here to the right was a little taller, and he was just a little porcadorn. He didn't even have eye guards, but he was really tall. But again, we couldn't really tell what this one was up here. It was starting to really get dark on us, so I don't know. We enjoy watching it. I hope you guys do too. Cooper.